Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I have this Gifts for Dad multi-tool. So we're gonna check this out and see what this is. I got this at Amazon, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video and subscribe, like. Oh, and the link to this is gonna be in the description too, so if you wanna pick one of these up, you can. So here, let's check it out. It comes with a little case, and the case has a little belt clip too, so if you have somebody who does some work and stuff and they wanna carry it around with them, this would be good to get to them. And if you really want, something to make somebody feel good, it's good for a gift, because this one says, if I can open it, it says, love you more, the end, I win. So there you go. So this was not a gift for me. This will be something I give away. So you can see what it comes with. It comes with a little mini hammer. So it's got some, got a little bit of weight to it. And then if you push this one here, you can open it up here. And then you've got a little bit of pliers there, kind of thing. So you can have little pliers with a little bit of spring action on it. And then you've got, let's see, let me close that up. Oh, the carabiner gets in the way, but okay, there. And then you got a little Phillips head screwdriver that pops out on the side there. Let's see, is anything else pop out on that side? Not that side, but then on this side, we've got a blade and a little saw blade with a screwdriver tip on the end. And I'm guessing this is gonna be let me open it up, a little can opener with a really pointy blade on it. And then I'm not sure what this, this here is a little flathead screwdriver. So you got a flathead here and a flathead there. So you kind of get two of them. So there you go. So that's here. So let's close this one back up again. So close that. Now it's all, I think they must have closed it in the wrong order or something. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so that's it. So there we go. And so it's kind of a cool little tool, little multi-tool, and fits in the case pretty easy. So you could either just carry it by the carabiner for somebody who wants to do that, but if you don't want to scratch things as you're carrying it, then you can stick it into the little case and snap it closed, and then the only sharp thing pointing out would be the end of the screwdriver, and that's not very sharp. The back of the hammer is already in there, so that's good. But it's cool because you can actually pull little nails out. I can use this around the house actually to hang pictures and stuff. So I'm actually, this would be good for somebody who's living alone or something like that. Might give this to a friend of mine. So we'll see. Although it says I love you more, but whatever. But it was cool. So there we go. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. Like this video. And the link is in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourself. And thanks for watching. Bye.